This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the environment. Open the Google Doc you want read aloud, then enable accessibility so Docs exposes text to TTS. Once done, install a reliable Chrome text-to-speech extension or enable your operating system's speech engine. Make sure the extension is allowed to read page content, otherwise it cannot access the document. You're doing this early so the reader sees selection, formatting, and language metadata, which improves pronunciation and natural pauses, so enable language detection if available. Once the TTS tool is installed, select the text you want or place the cursor where reading should begin and start a short test segment to check pronunciation. Then, open the extension or OS speech settings to choose voice, speaking rate, and pitch. Slower rates help complex syntax, faster rates suit quick scans. Make sure language matches the document. Also configure keyboard shortcuts for play, pause, and jump commands so you can control playback hands-free while you follow along in the doc. Now run the reader on the full document and follow along. Use pause to take notes, skip to move between headings, and enable highlight as you read to track words. If you need a file, some extensions export MP3 directly, or you can record system audio to capture speech. If something goes wrong, first check system volume and browser audio permissions, then confirm the extension has page access and language permissions. Finally, reload the page or switch to a different TTS voice. These steps usually resolve common playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.